Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the combo 1-2-3 strategy with Elder Ray. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the combo 1-2-3 strategy with Elder Ray. Before we do though, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested 283 indicators. And out of those 283 indicators, 112 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 112 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. All right, so today's indicator is the combo 1-2-3 reversal strategy with Elder Ray. And so we have played around with the combo 1-2-3 strategy, I think, once before. Actually, I take that back. I'm not sure if we have played with the combo 1-2-3 strategy. I think we tested another indicator. It was like a 1-2-3 trend, something along those lines. And so basically and you can see this the indicator here on screen. I know it's a little bit difficult to recognize it, but basically what we have is the combo 1-2-3 strategy was written about in a book. I'm not sure exactly. I forget exactly what book it was and who it was by. But if you go to the indicators page, then the creator of the indicator, H. Potter, explains a little bit more in detail about where this indicator comes from. And H. Potter has also made the combo 1-2-3 strategy or indicator using multiple other indicators. So this one is the one with the Elder Ray, and then there's a few other ones. I forget what all they are, but basically it's using other indicators to kind of feed off of to get its calculations. And so, what are we looking for? Well, basically, what we look for is the blue candles to start to form. And now I'll tell you right off that I'm not a great fan of indicators that change the bar colors. But in this particular case, we're going to give it a shot and see. Basically, what we're looking for is the blue bars to start to form. And once we get at least one blue bar, we are looking for either a green candle, which would be a long signal, or we are looking for a red candle, which would be a short signal. And so it's pretty simple, not a whole lot to it. It might get a little weird when testing, but let's go ahead and get on with the testing, and we'll kind of look at it as we go. So we pick up blue candle right here, right about there, and now this is where things do things get a little bit difficult when the bar colors are a different color. Now, just so you know, I did go in and I did change the bar colors. The red, I changed it to the more vibrant red and vibrant green, and the more vibrant blue. It was some really, really dark colors, and so that's why mine are a little bit different than if you put yours on screen. Anyway, so here we are, and we pick up a long signal. Starts right there on that one, and it looks like that one gets us to take profit. So all right, now we're picking up blues again right here. And so now we're waiting for the first candle that is either red or green as an entry signal. And then we would follow it along from there. Let's see, so that was a green candle right there. And that one does get us to take profit as well. And so you can kind of see how this is functioning. There's one right there, a long signal, but unfortunately that one drops out on us rather quickly. Then we get a short signal right there, kind of the same deal. Almost immediately it spikes up and stops us out. Another short signal right there. Go ahead and play it forward. So it looks like we drop down from here, and we were able to actually get to take profit on that one before it then curled itself back up and started to go the opposite direction. But then we get this this signal right here on this one. Let's see, looks like that one also was able to squeeze out take profit right before reversing and heading the opposite direction. Now we pick up this one right here. Let's see. So measure it out from the top right there, and that one did not get us to take profits. All right, continue on with it here. Pick up a blue candle again right there, and another entry long right there. And almost immediately we get a little spike right there. That would have gotten us to take profit. So what I'm going to do here is cut some of this video out now so that way it doesn't get too long, and I will pick this back up when we get a little bit closer to the end of the year. All right, we are almost to the end of the year now. Let's finish up these last couple of signals here. So get a long right there. That one drops out pretty quickly on us. Let's double check that. Yep, that one wouldn't have worked. Then we pick up one over here. Looks like that one might have gotten us to take profit. Ooh, it was close, but again, not quite there. And then that puts us right there at the end of the year. All right, let's zoom in on this right there. Let's add these up and see what we get out of them. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. So we have 19 signals altogether, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. 11 winning trades. And so, unfortunately, that's going to fall just shy of the 60% that we're looking for. It seemed like this indicator was doing, kind of an all right job. But there were moments, excuse me, there were moments where it really was, there was a significant downtrend taking place right here, and it just kept spiking these long signals in here, and almost never once gave a short signal. And it did a couple times here, but only 3, and it was almost at the end of this trend. Now, I do realize that this was a reversal indicator, but still at the same time, it seemed like there was just something a little wonky about the timing of this. So yeah, for now, it's going to go on the no list, and we'll move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also, turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.